The extended arc adaptive component systems have been fully 3D printed and integrated with 38mm telescoping engine retainer capability that retains and telescopes a 29mm engine retainer with a 24mm engine retainer, all telescoping inside of each other. To make this work, you have to sacrifice basically 2 retainer rings before you glue everything together, because inside are adaptive bulkheads that prevent the tubes from sliding further, and they're locked in place by each of the retainer rings for the 38mm and 29mm engine tubes. So the complete system is now printed. The extended arc transition, which can accommodate BT60, BT70, and BT80 tubes. The complete engine system, which can accommodate 24mm, 29mm, and even 38mm engines, if the extended arc contest so permits. And the 3D printed fin guide and removable fins will permit any crashes to be recovered and replaced very quickly, and reusable each year in the BT60 body tube. And a BT70 or BT80 body tube will slip over top of those fins and connect to the payload section as one unit in this smallest possible minimum cost extended arc rocket system.